No, uncle. Sid isn't answering the call. Maybe he's in a situation where he can't take calls. I just don't understand how this happened after all. If Mithai took the responsibility to take Nipa to the beauty parlor, then why couldn't she keep an eye on her? Strange. You know, this seems really strange to me, uncle. Because Mithai seems quite vigilant about everything. Didn't you notice during the New Year's Day how she proved that she's so responsible?
Tosha? Tosha, will you please explain? What are you trying to say?
Sulata, please don't think about all that now. Let Nipa come back home. Everything will be clear once we get some news of her.
No, Appa. Our Nipa isn't the kind of girl who will just go somewhere without informing anyone at home. That too on her own wedding day. And can you tell me why she would go? It's not that she was in a relationship with someone. We would have known if there was any, right?
Mithai? Mithai, where? Where is Nipa? Tell me. Why are you standing silently? Tell me, where is Nipa? Dad had given you the responsibility to take Nipa to the beauty parlor. Where is Nipa? Why did you come back without her, Mithai? Why did you do this to me? Tell me why! Ansulata, I didn't realize. I didn't realize, Ansulata, that such a big disaster would strike. Sister Nipa told me that she had taken a lot of time to get her makeup done. She asked me to visit the shops.
How wonderful. Nipa asked her and she went to have fun. Didn't you think for once that the girl was left alone in the parlor?
Besides, Samarish, which bride in our family has ever gone to a parlor to get decked up? She had voluntarily taken the responsibility and Dad allowed Nipa to go with her. Mithai, you have to give me an answer.
Wait, Lata!
Sulata! Control yourself. What are you doing?
Ansulata, please listen to me. I didn't realize it. I didn't realize that Sister Nipa would get into such a big problem. If I had any inking before, I wouldn't have listened to Sister Nipa. Believe me, how come? How could I realize it? Tell me, Ansulata. Tell me, Ansulata.
Mithai? Didn't you really realize it? No. I mean, I want to say something very clearly. Please do not mind. Look, this is possible that Nipa might have met someone. Yes, nowadays we can make many friends on social media. In fact, we can meet them as well. There is nothing abnormal about it. And Nipa is so childish that she might have really fallen into someone's trap. But my question is, did Mithai really know nothing about it? No, Shri and Nipa are both very close to Mithai. Aren't they? So, Mithai, tell me, did you instigate Nipa intentionally? No, I said this because I felt so. Because their divorce was supposed to happen after their wedding. And if the wedding is called off, then it would be good for you, right?
Why will
I do like that. Antopa, Aunt Sulata, do you all believe in what she's saying? Why would I get a wedding called off for no reason? Why?
It's not for no reason, Mithai. Why would you do that unnecessarily? You have done it intentionally. Yes. Because you knew that after Nipa's wedding, your divorce case will be filed. Today, if Nipa's wedding really gets called off, then everybody in this family will be devastated and then no one would pay attention to the divorce case. Yes. Is this why you...
Grandfather, please tell me, do you think that I can do something like this, Grandfather? Please tell me, do you think?
Mithai, I can never even imagine that you can harm anyone. But how can you? What was wrong with your sense of responsibility today? You knew that Nipa is childish.
I really didn't imagine even in my dream that something like this would happen, Grandfather.
Why would you think that in your dream, Mithai? You have worked out a strategy with a calm mind. I am waiting for the moment when Nipa is found. Everything will be cleared after that.
Yes, Sister Rosa, please pray to Lord that Sister Nipa should be found as quickly as possible. Please, Lord will definitely help us. Sister Nipa should be found as soon as possible.
Dad, I can't keep my cool anymore. This girl ruined Nipa's life, and now she's pretending that she wishes well for her.
Mithai, had I known this before, I would have never allowed you to mingle with Nipa. It's true. Torsha and Revati had warned us so many times. In spite of all their warnings, I didn't pay any heed to them. Yes, they had told us how cunning you are. You are playing so many tricks so that you can stay in our family. How could you do this to my daughter just for your own personal gain, Mithai? How could you?
Sulata, please. Please, Sulata. You aren't in your senses. Keep quiet.
Aunt Sulata, do you really believe that I pushed Sister Nipa into trouble? Please tell me.
Why won't I believe it, Mithai? Why shouldn't I? Has anyone ever seen my daughter take any wrong step before? If she had a boyfriend, I would have understood. But Nipa doesn't have a boyfriend. You are blaming Mithai so much. Aren't you feeling hesitant about that, Sulata? Can't you see your own daughter's mistake? Listen, I teach my students. I'm infamous for being a strict teacher. I'm aware of how many girls are losing themselves every day on social media. Do you know who is responsible for all this? Their guardians. They think that their children are very good. They are flawless. They can never be at fault. That someone else has spoiled them. If my daughter doesn't want to run away, Can someone really insist on running away? Have you ever thought about this? And most importantly, tell me, why would Mithai not trust Nipa? When Nipa asked Mithai to go and do some other work, why would she go inside the parlor? Your daughter is responsible for whatever has happened today. Admit this first. Just because she's childish, can all her mistakes be forgiven, uncle? None of you have said that even once.
I haven't blamed Mithai for all this even once. Actually, you know what? The fault is ours. We could not raise our daughter right. We could not teach her good values. Out of you all, at least I will admit this. And because of this reason, I didn't want to marry off my daughter at such a tender age. But I had to agree to this marriage because of my wife. And because of this, our entire family is suffering like this. I take the responsibility for this incident. And whatever you have said, Sushmita, is absolutely right.
Aparajita, please take Mithai upstairs. This girl can't take it anymore. Go.
Mithai, let's go. Come along.
Oh, my lord. Please protect my granddaughter. She should be found, oh Lord. She should be found.
Nipa, come.
Aditya. Aditya, why have we come here?
What happened, Nipa? Why are you so afraid? Look, Nipa, we'll stay here tonight and go to the airport tomorrow morning. Didn't I tell you? The flight has been postponed.
Can you drop me home? Please. I can't do this anymore. I'm feeling scared now. I'll go home and get scolded by everyone instead. But I won't stay here. Please drop me home.
Nipa, listen. Do you think I'll let you stay here alone? Hey, Nipa, why are you so worried? All my family members are on their way. They'll be coming here in some time. Okay, you do one thing. Check the register. I've made bookings for everyone. Once they are here, we all will go to the airport tomorrow together.
My phone is also not working now. The battery is dead. I won't stay here. I have to go back home, Aditya, please. Please drop me home.
This is very strange. Nipa, you don't understand. Look, the flight has been cancelled, right? Just think, Nipa. Just a few more hours. After a few hours, you will be able to embark into your hashtag dream life, right? So chill. Let's enjoy the evening.
Ma'am, your room is ready. Please come with me. Sir, the rooms for your family members are also ready. They will be here within 10 minutes.
Look, did you hear that? Look, Nipa, I've been your cousin's friend for a long time.
Do you think I will let you get harmed? Look, I have explained everything to Rudra. He will speak to Sid and manage everything. And Sid will talk to your grandpa and handle the whole wedding thing. So, chill. No, I mean, you go to your room, freshen up, and then we'll go for dinner.
Ma'am, come with me. Your suitcase has been kept in your room. Come with me. This way. Why did I come with Aditya? I am feeling so scared. Oh Lord. Oh Lord, Mithai isn't here. So I am praying to you. Please help me. Please.
Adi? You? What are you doing here?
I've booked a room here. But what are you two doing here? By the way, isn't it your cousin's wedding today?
Adi, did you notice any suspicious activity over here? I mean, how long have you been here?
Adi? Why have you booked a room over here? I mean, why in a place so far away?
Some of my relatives are coming here. Long journey, and there are a few aged people among them. So they won't be able to take much stress. I thought that I'll take them home tomorrow morning. That is why I booked a room over here.
Where are the officials of this place? I mean, I have to search this guest house. Excuse me?
Calm down. Wait. What happened? Will you tell me? Because this isn't your usual duty. Or else Sid wouldn't be with you. Sid, what happened? Tell me. Any problem? Because I've booked the entire guest house, so there are no guests over here right now.
What? No. Rudra, we are just wasting our time over here. Look, the more time we waste, the more dangerous the situation will become for Nipa.
Nipa?
Actually, Adi, we are not able to trace Nipa. Things at home are in a mess. A car came to the beauty parlor and took Nipa away. The police are trying to trace the car, but her phone has been traced over here in this area.
Adi, are you sure that you have booked the entire guest house? Are you sure that nothing shady can happen here? I mean, at this place, Nipa is not a hostage? Because in this area, there is no hotel or guest house.
No, Rudy, I'm telling you, if you search here, then I would say that you are wasting your time, seriously. There are a few houses nearby that accommodate guests. Sort of homestay. You can search there as well.
Sid, let's go. It would have been easier to search this area if we had brought force with us. But I don't want any kind of exposure. Come on.
Sid, you two go ahead. I'll see what can be done. And don't worry, man. You know that your problem is my problem. Right? You go. I'll see what can be done. Go.
Sir,
Where is ma'am?
she's in the room, but she's crying a lot.
What do you mean by that? If Nipa doesn't stop crying, how will we go from here? Rudy will search everywhere. What if someone becomes suspicious? Why didn't I ask Nipa to switch off her phone?
Here, you go. Drink some water first. Come on.
I know, Mithai. You felt very bad. Everyone blamed you today. But believe me, unless we find Nipa, no one will be at peace. So please understand. Please, Mithai, don't take their words to heart. Please?
No, Aunt Opa. I'm not worried about myself. I'm just wondering where Sister Nipa went and why. Who has trapped Sister Nipa that she took such a drastic step. This is the reason why I used to protect Nipa all the time. She used to get mad at me and even cry. At times even Aunt Sulata used to misunderstand me. I made a mistake. I shouldn't have let her go alone with Mithai. I thought that I wouldn't fight with her on her wedding day. But I made a very big mistake, Aunt Appa. Aunt Appa, let me call Siddharth one more time.
Shri, you have called Siddharth up so many times. He didn't take your calls. That means he's not in a situation to take calls. Listen, we have to be patient now. We have no other option, my child.
Nipa was so active on social media. How many likes she's getting? Who is commenting what on her post? That mattered to her. She never lived in reality. Social media was the real world to her. I don't know who allured her and manipulated that girl.
Nanda? Hey, Nanda. Is Sushmita blaming you? Tell me, please.
Mom, my mother-in-law isn't that kind of person. Do you know whatever she says is correct? She speaks what is just. Actually, we can't tolerate the truth. Now you see, this is how we get into trouble. Sister Nanda, I couldn't realize it at all. If I had the faintest inkling that Sister Nipa would get into big trouble, I wouldn't have let her enter the beauty parlor.